In this tutorial, I will show you how to recover lost access of Microsoft Authenticator app in just few easy steps. So let's start right away. From your phone's home screen, open up Microsoft Authenticator app and now click on Add Contact and now click on Add Account. From here, select Personal Account. After this, click on Sign In with Microsoft. Now enter email address linked to your Microsoft account. Then click on Next. Now if you forget the password, then click on Forget Password. And from here, click on I don't have any of these. Now you have to enter email, phone number or Skype name linked to your Microsoft account. And here you have to enter email address where you want Microsoft team to contact you. After this, fill this captcha and then click on next. Now Microsoft team will send you a code, so minimize it. Open up Gmail and open the email of Microsoft team, and here you will find the code. Just copy that code and go back to the Microsoft Authenticator app and paste that code here. Then click on verify. Now answer many questions as you can. It will help in your account recovery. After this, your information will be submitted and Microsoft team will contact you within 24 hours and help you to recover your account. So that's how you can recover lost access of Microsoft Authenticator app in just few easy steps.